Today we're going to be looking at 5 apartments for sale in Kingston. Apartment number 1. This 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment is located on Sandhurst Avenue in the Kingston 5 area. The size of this apartment is 1,500 square feet and it's been listed for 42 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here we have the swimming pool that while staying here you would have access to. From here we're going to go on the inside. First, we have the living area, dining area, and the next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. Out of 3 bathrooms, 2 were shown. From here we move to the laundry area. And lastly we have the back veranda. Now that would be the end of apartment number 1. Apartment number 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment found on Mayfair Avenue off Red Hills Road in the Kingston 19 area. The size of this apartment is 1,200 square feet and it's been listed for 40 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Followed by that, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. From here we move to the laundry area. And next we have the balcony. Lastly, here we have an image of the swimming pool that can be found within this complex. Now that would be the end of the images for apartment number 2. Apartment number 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment located on University Crescent in the Kingston 6 area. The size of this apartment is 1,100 square feet and it's on the market for 45 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here we have the first bathroom, second bathroom, and here we have a half bathroom that is also the laundry area. From here we head on the outside where we have the swimming pool. And that will be the end for apartment number 3. Apartment number 4. This 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom apartment is located in Russell Heights in the Kingston 6 area. The size of this apartment is 2,200 square feet and it's been listed for $550,000 US. Let's take a look. Here we have the living and dining area. followed by that is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is a third bedroom. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is a third bathroom. We then move on to the balcony, and from this image you can see the swimming pool that is located within this complex. That will be the end for apartment number 4. Apartment number 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment located in Russell Heights in the Kingston area. The size of this apartment is 2,800 square feet and it's been listed for 76 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area along with the kitchen. From here we move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, and this is a second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is a third bathroom. Next we have the balcony, and here we have the poolside. That will be the end of apartment number 5. This also brings us to the end of this video, so if you are interested in any of the apartments that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.